Do you long to look and feel like you did in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s? If you're like most people, you would love to stumble upon the fountain of youth. It is depressing to see the effects of aging and feel like there's nothing you can do to change it. Perhaps you've looked in the mirror at an increasing number of fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin, and gray hair, and wondered, what is happening to me? Even worse than looking years older than your actual age, you may also feel much older and find yourself struggling to keep up both physically and mentally. Signs of accelerated aging can include lack of energy, forgetfulness, brain fog, creaking bones, increased belly fat, and frequent aches and pains. While you've been led to believe that aging is something that just happens to all of us and is out of your control, modern science is now saying that old belief is wrong. You do in fact have more control over how fast you age than you previously thought. It really is possible to live a long, active, and healthy life with a youthful appearance well into your golden years. While we can't promise you'll live forever, we can show you the simple yet powerful steps to take right now to literally slow the hands of time. Our expert team dove deep into the latest clinical studies on aging and age-related diseases. Then, we compiled the most effective, scientifically proven, all-natural solutions that promote longevity into one comprehensive system. It's called the 14-Day Anti-Aging Quickstart Program, and it works to slow down the aging process and, in some cases, reverse signs of aging. This science-based system contains powerful, all-natural strategies to maintain a youthful, vibrant appearance and keep age-related diseases at bay. Our strategically designed Quickstart program can have you feeling and looking more youthful within weeks. And by incorporating these simple actions into your everyday life, you can ensure that you age as gracefully as possible. 14-Day Anti-Aging Quickstart Program, which includes the following: our research-based ebook, Natural Anti-Aging, 10 Simple Steps to the Fountain of Youth. This youth-promoting ebook provides you with the latest information about the real causes of aging. You'll learn the 10 most effective lifestyle and dietary recommendations that promote fantastic health, a youthful appearance, and greater longevity. We're also including Cooking for Longevity, 25 tasty anti-aging recipes. In this cookbook, we provide you with 25 delicious recipes designed by our team of professional chefs to diminish the distressing signs of aging, both inside and out. Each longevity-enhancing recipe is beautifully illustrated with simple step-by-step instructions, so you'll be able to easily prepare them even if you have no prior cooking experience. You'll also receive our Cooking for Longevity 14-Day Meal Plan and Shopping List to ensure preparing these tasty meals is easy and convenient. Current research shows that a sedentary lifestyle is a leading cause of accelerated aging. So we've made it simple for you to incorporate anti-aging exercises into even the busiest schedule with our easy-to-follow workout program, 10 Easy Movements for Anti-Aging. This longevity-boosting workout was developed by renowned health and fitness expert Rick Caselge and will guide you with the perfect combination of movements to slow the aging process and revitalize your body. Say yes to yourself and a more youthful future. Simply click the link below to purchase the 14-Day Anti-Aging Quickstart Program and take the first step towards a more vibrant, healthy, happy you.